Hey guys, thanks for watching my first vlog. I'm thinking of doing this like every Wednesday. It's kind of fun. I kind of enjoy doing it. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe today. I'm sorry, damn it! Fuck! Oh look, I know I said I would post every Wednesday, and I didn't, and it's been like 7 months or something! Fuck! I'm sorry. I have some vlog footage and some film stuff, but I am just a lazy piece of shit, okay? So you gotta be slow with me, alright? I'm gonna try to post a little more. I hope this makes up for it. It's a little longer than the last one. Hope you enjoy it, I guess. Like, subscribe.
Let's learn about zebras. Zebras are mammals, which means they are warm-blooded, are covered in fur, and feed their babies milk. They are closely related to horses and donkeys.
Bro, is that a red button over there?
Bro, what?
I'm gonna press it.
Don't do it. Stop. Don't do it. Christian. Christian. Stop.
But it says Supreme! I want Supreme! You're ruining my audio!
Brown pride. No blacks. No Asians. But brown.
I don't condone his behavior.
Because he supports white pride.
Where we're going?
We're going to 4th Ave Street Fair.
There's so many people here.
You ever seen hentai? Yes, Daddy Octopus. I'll sell you penguin dick for $5. We're on the quest
Here.
for top 8.
You have to get through this whole crowd, Brian.
I'm not gonna do it. Bro, look at these chihuahuas. I was wondering where mine went, you know.
We got free dog food.
I thought it was beef jerky. I'm really hungry.
Are you actually gonna eat that dog food?
No, I'm not gonna actually eat this because I can't open it. Fucking life. Fuck. Here's 3. Like 3. I'm only taking 3. I'm not taking.
You just ate another one?
Just like cereal.
Why did you eat another one?
Just so I can say that.
What else am I supposed to do? Beat my dick to it.
There's water.
What the? Oh jeez, dude. What the? Oh my god, parkour.
Parkour.
It's too big.
Parkour.
Parkour. Oh my god. What are you doing?
Oh, you think it's safe to get up here?
No, it's not safe to get up here. Oh my god, Hogan. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I suck dick.
Oh my god. Oh my.
It's wet as fuck.
Was it good?
Dude, no, you got so many thorns on your back, bro.
Get them out for me.
Yeah.
Ow.
You can jump in the pool. You won't. For the vlog. Oh my god, are you gonna do it? You do? Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, she's underwear. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god.
It's cold.
Oh my god.
It's so cold, bro. I got no towel, bro. My dick is shriveling up, bro.
It's like you're squeezing your dick.
Jump in the pool. You can do it?
Okay.
Flash the camera.
He going.
I think I lost my glasses.
Did you actually lose them in there?
Yeah.
No. This idiot just lost his glasses. Oh, Christian! Let me see that dick.
We see that pussy.
It's your cheeks, dog. Look at him go.